It is Ryan from AccuTune Offroad, and today I'm going to show you our new U-bolt flip for Toyota Tacoma. So the reasons to buy a U-bolt flip is first to gain ground clearance. On the OEM Tacoma, the U-bolts point down towards the ground and significantly reduce ground clearance. With our U-bolt flip, the U-bolts now face up, increasing ground clearance so you can go off-roading and not drag the bottom. Another reason to get a U-bolt flip is that ours in particular includes a really nice bottom-out bumper, so you're getting a much softer bottom-out feel than the factory rubber, which is really hard. And then the final reason to get a U-bolt flip is for correct bump stop spacing so you don't bottom your shocks out. Bottoming your shocks out is a common problem off-road without proper bump stop spacing, and what can happen is that the OEM shocks and most aftermarket shocks are not made to bottom out, and so you can ruin your shocks, cause leaking, or even worst case, cause them to break. This U-bolt kit is made specifically to fit the 2005 through 2023 Toyota Tacoma. So I mentioned earlier that one of the reasons to get a U-bolt flip is so that you don't bottom your shocks out. And so what happens on the rear of a Tacoma is that the shock is mounted on the axle tube and the bump stop is mounted on top of the leaf spring. And so the thickness of your leaf spring pack and the length of your shock, compressed length, both affect how much bump stop spacer you need. So as you can quickly imagine, it's not a one length fits all. You need to be customizing your bump stop length to not bottom your shocks out. So one of the key benefits of our new U-bolt kit here is that we have stackable spacers combined with different length screws so that you can buy this kit and stack the spacers for your exact leaf spring and shock combination. We've got a chart that's available on our website that goes through exactly which combination you need. And the added benefit is if you change your mind down the road, you can simply change your spacer lengths. Another thing that sets our U-bolt flip apart from others is our really high quality bump stop here. This is made in America by BASF, super high quality. You'll see other bumpers on the market are made out of rubber. They are very stiff and can ruin your ride quality, or maybe they're too tall. Other things that happen is some of them you'll see they have like a compression limit on how far you can compress them, and that's because they're made out of lower quality material that will take a set. Ours is made out of the highest quality material you can get and will not take a set. We have no limits, like go out and use the thing. We've put a ton of time and effort into making sure that our bump stop is the correct density material and the correct height for the tallest applications. Those of you that are running lower lift heights or longer shocks and have a lot of spacers stacked, if you don't have adequate up travel, our bump stop is customizable so that you can trim off a rung here and make it fit your lower height application. We've gone through and made sure that this bump stop is right for the back of your Tacoma. We really wanted to put together a high quality U-bolt flip, and so to start out with, we're using a 3/8 plate here, so it's really thick, really strong. You can bottom out on this thing, it's not going anywhere. We're using U-bolts that are zinc plated and are plenty long to accommodate your heavier leaf packs. And then those of you that have a thinner leaf pack can simply trim it to length. The bump stop holder here is made out of 6061 aluminum that's anodized. And then that goes for our spacers as well. They're also 6061 aluminum. We include a variety of different screw lengths so that you can make sure that you've got the right length screw for how many spacers you've stacked up. And then finally, we include some red Loctite so it doesn't come off on the trail. This kit is really easy to install. Installation can be done in your driveway. A lift is not really necessary for this kit. If you want to learn more about this product or you got any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button and look out for more videos.